Welcome to our ACCA Hong Kong member milestone celebration. This event is all about you, our members and future members. Whether you are marking a membership anniversary, becoming a new member, a fellow, or reaching a new milestone along your professional journey with ACCA, each achievement reflects dedications, growth, and commitment to excellence. ACCA is more than a professional body. It's a family that supports and inspires and connects across borders. Together, we uphold shared values that keep our profession strong and our global visions clear. Let's continue to support and inspire one another as one global ACCA family, powered by our people and inspired by tomorrow.
Thank you.